Welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to talk about how to generate the layout for your piping and plumbing systems. Now, in the last lesson, we showed you how to insert plumbing fixtures into your model, as well as how to create the piping systems that run to those plumbing fixtures. In our model right now, you can see that we have added 2 new plumbing fixtures. However, those plumbing fixtures are not connected to the existing piping system that they will need to function. We will show you how to generate the pipes to connect them to the existing system. First, though, we need to get a better idea of what it is we're working with. So go ahead and zoom in on the connector between your 2 plumbing fixtures. Once you're in close enough to see it, left-click on the connector. For this project, because of the work we're going to be doing on it, we would recommend that you go down to the display toolbar directly under the viewing pane and change your display format to wireframe. This will let you get a better look at the details that you're going to have to work with. While you have the connector clicked, you'll notice on the right side of it is a little node that says drag. If you right-click on that node, you'll see a menu that pops up. Although there are a number of options in this right-click menu, the one we're going to use is Draw Pipe. So left-click now on Draw Pipe. Then just drag your mouse over to the main pipe in our plumbing system and left-click, connecting the new plumbing fixture to the existing system. So now we have the new plumbing fixtures connected to the existing system. But if you notice, the T connector that connects the new fixture to the system is different from the other T connectors used on the rest of the system. So now we're going to make them all uniform. To do that, first we're going to remove the current pipe connector that we have set up. There are a variety of ways to do this, but the easiest is probably to go up to the top of the screen, and from the Quick Access toolbar, choose the Undo command. If you click the arrow next to the Undo button, you can choose how far back you want to go. In this case, we only have to do 1 step, but remember this if you make bigger mistakes later on. Now we're going to start setting up our plan to use the correct T connector here. First, click on any part of the piping system. I'm going to choose the one that we'll connect to. Then, from under the Properties window, click on Edit Type. The Type Properties menu will pop up, and from under Routing Preferences, click the Edit button immediately to its right. The window will change again, and from under Junction, click the drop-down menu and select T-Sanitary PVC 40. Once you've made that change, click on OK until you return to your main viewing window. Now that our piping system is set up to use the correct connector, we're going to repeat the process that we used previously to connect the plumbing fixture to the existing piping system. So just like before, zoom in on the juncture between the 2 plumbing fixtures. Then, right-click on the rightmost node and select Draw Pipe. Then just drag your mouse over to the pipe and left-click when the outline of your new pipe is at a 90-degree angle with the existing pipe. And now our pipes are connected. As you can see, the T connection for the new pipe that we created is very similar to the T connection used for the other plumbing fixtures. Additionally, if you look at the right-hand side of the ribbon, under the Modify Place Pipe tab, you'll notice that the slope value for our pipe is 1%. Alright, let's review. In this lesson, we went over how to manually lay out a pipe for a plumbing system, as well as how to connect it to an existing plumbing system. We also showed you how to make the connectors for your plumbing system uniform. Thanks for watching.